can't wait to go to the library to borrow Mother Goose's book. Yeah, that'll be fun. Won't it, Barney? Bye, Barney. Bye.
Hello again to all my friends. I'm glad you came to play. Our fun and learning never ends. Here's what we did today. Oh, we had a super-duper time today when we got a visit from Clarence the Goose and from our good friend Mother Goose. Mother Goose was taking her book of rhymes to the library for children to borrow. You can borrow books if you put your name on a library card, just as Sean did. We tried to bring Clarence back by telling lots of Mother Goose rhymes, like to market, and Humpty Dumpty. We found fun games in Mother Goose's book, like London Bridge and Ring Around the Rosie. And I got to use my imagination to make believe that I was Wee Willie Winkie. We had such a good time, it's no wonder that Clarence came back to Mother Goose. And you can have fun like that, too, with Mother Goose's book or lots of other books from the library. You're going to love the library, and I love you.
Coming to home video, April 1996.
The future is ours. We are Kids for Character.
Kids for Character brings together over 30 of your favorite television and video characters in one special video. They want you to have fun learning the 6 simple words of character.
Trustworthiness, respect, responsibility, fairness, caring, and citizenship. There are 6 simple words that you can use to be a better person if you choose. 6 simple words all day long. 6 simple words to make you strong.
With scenes from The Puzzle Place, Barney and his friends, Scholastic's The Magic School Bus, Lamb Chop's Play Along, Nick Jr.'s Gullah Gullah Island, and Babar. This video will help your child learn all about character.
Yeah, and just think what a better world it would be if every kid was a kid for character.
We're Kids for Character. Here we stand, we're unified.
The Kids for Character video is coming to a store near you, April 1996.
Make us stand for character.
We can have a
Set the stage, light the lights for an all-new home video, Barney's Talent Show. Don't miss the fun as Barney and his friends put on an exciting show filled with singing, dancing, and magic tricks. Join us for over 40 minutes of delightful entertainment as we open the curtain for Barney's Talent Show.
Just putting on a show.